Now this part right here, this is pretty solid right here. Holy crap.
Shit.
Oh shit, you alright, bro?
I'm good.
Oh! Oh!
You okay?
Oh yeah. Shit. Oh. Maybe this was not a good idea.
Yeah.
What is up, everybody? NCmotoRIDER here, and I did do an intro for this video already, but kind of had a little bit of a mishap during that, so this will actually be my intro. But was able to get together with my good friend MotoPhotoGuy and do some riding today.
Yes, sir. We have had a blast, and like you said, we being him and myself, had a little bit of a mishap in his original intro.
But we did get all that sorted out and got back to riding, and hope you guys enjoy the video.
This is going to be fun.
It's gonna be something. I don't know about fun.
Adventure bike, adventure time.
You might want to slow it down there a little bit, buddy. This is definitely interesting. This is different for me.
This is most certainly a first for me.
Riding a motorcycle in snow, yeah.
Shout out to the Shinkos.
Right? Mine are doing pretty good too, even though they're not as knobby as yours. And I made it. That was different.
Yes, it was.
It's definitely slick.
It is that. You good?
Yep.
All right.
All right. What is up, everybody? NCmotoRIDER here, and finally got a chance to come out with my buddy today, MotoPhotoGuy, and we have found some slick stuff. And this is a first for me for sure.
It's first for me. That's for damn sure.
Now this part right here, this is pretty solid right here. Holy crap.
Shit.
Oh shit, you alright, bro?
I'm good.
Oh! Oh!
You okay?
Oh yeah. Shit. Oh. Maybe this was not a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh shit, it's sliding. Oh shit, I'm losing my feet. Oh, I don't have a kickstand down. I don't have
I know, I'm holding it.
Alright. You got it?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get around here real quick.
Hey, stupid hurts.
Yeah, it does. My leg fucking hurts.
You okay?
Yeah. Alright, it's down. Oh. Alright, let's see what's fucked up. Anything?
I don't know. I'm gonna go do damage control on mine.
Alright. Let's see. My bag hit the ground, but it looks like it's alright. My light hit the ground, but I think it's alright. Let's see, final crank. That's why we wear gear, bro.
Well, moto people, now that we're out of that damn predicament, I can say that I believe that's officially one checked off the bucket list for MotoPhotoGuy and NCmotoRIDER. Note to self: don't brag on Shinkos in the snow, because the ice don't care and it'll throw you down.
Yep, I'm okay if we never ride on ice or snow again. Just, you know, just let you know.
Yeah, no. Next time I think if I've got to go through snow, I'll bring the Yukon up here.
Yeah, that'll definitely get through it. But now that that's over with, maybe we continue our dual vlog, man. I mean, this is kind of pretty through here with the snow and the trees and whatnot.
Yeah, I'm actually liking this pretty good right through here. Fortunately, both bikes, they withheld the fall very well. I have my left pannier bracket that's bent out just a little bit, so me being the country boy I just happen to have ratchet straps in my trunk, so I slid the pannier back in place and got her strapped down with good old ratchet strap, and when I get to the house I'll bend her back out with some pliers and we'll go on about our day.
Yeah, should be an easy fix. Luckily nothing was messed up on my V-Strom.
Damn V-Strom. Oh boy, can't pronounce V-Strom.
But yeah, I had my pannier that hit the ground was okay, no holes or cracks in it. My mirror was a little bit wonky, probably just from the impact. I don't think the mirror actually hit the ground because it probably broke, but my I will go out there and say, you know, like I talked about in the last video, I don't know how this jacket would do going down, but you know, I'm sure a low speed tumble wouldn't be too bad. And yeah, I can confirm, shoulder feels fine, arm feels fine. I went down on my left shoulder and I feel fine. This is gonna suck. Yep.
That wasn't too bad. That was a polite old man. Got one more coming from the bottom of the hill.
Yeah, I see him. I don't remember the model of my jacket, but it is an Alpine Source jacket. The Dry Star waterproof stuff, and my little tumble that I, you know, happened to do right after yours, coincidentally, my jacket held up just fine too. I don't have any soreness in my arms or shoulders or anything.
That's good. I'm going to shoot on across here.
My leg is a little sore where apparently it got trapped up under the, or when it went down in between the bike and the road, but it's not too bad. It's probably just like the initial impact or whatever.
Yeah. We'll take you. Got a couple of little country roads here. It's got quite a bit of gravel on them. We're gonna
meander on back this way.
We'll run back into town and we can stop and you can do a body assessment.
I'd much rather you inspect my body.
Yeah, well, you know, the women might get jealous.
True.